Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable notifications for adding your photo to someone's post on Instagram using your PC, thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account by navigating to the website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your feed. Now look for the More icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it to reveal a menu with various options. Next, choose Settings from the menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. This section allows you to customize the alerts you receive from Instagram. In the Notifications settings, click on Push Notifications. This option is crucial since it controls how and when you receive notifications. Finally, scroll down to find the section labeled Added to Post. Here, you'll see an option that allows you to choose whether you want to be notified when someone adds your photo to their post. Simply select On to enable these notifications. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for when your photo is added to someone's post on Instagram. Now you'll never miss out on these updates. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.